Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. If you've been watching the videos on our channel, there is one phrase that you would have heard us say over and over again, and that is financial independence is a must, retiring early is an option. So sorry to bore you with this again, but we want to emphasize this because we firmly believe in this. Why? Because retirement is a very personal choice. It depends on you and your loved ones if and when you want to retire. Interestingly, one of our favorite authors of all times, Morgan Housel, I would say not just our favorite authors, one of the financial gurus or personal finance gurus of our recent times, he put it very nicely as a formula that a decent life is equal to independence plus purpose. And in our view, purpose is a combination of different forms. The purpose in life we have is working, giving back to the society, making money, raising children, managing a household, looking after our parents, following a religious path. It's a list of different forms that we have, and it's a combination of this that we follow. And that is the reason that we also say that please do not fall for anyone telling you that if you retire, you will lose your sense of purpose. Because purpose is never singular, it is a mix of multiple things. This is one of my pet peeves against the corporate world because they keep almost brainwashing people that retirement means a losing sense of purpose. And not only is purpose of different forms and a combination of that, it also evolves over time. So when we are growing up, our purpose is to get good education, get into good universities and colleges. When we are just getting out of colleges, it's our purpose becomes to probably fall in love, get into a relationship, start a family, start looking for a job, and then we spend many decades working, and that becomes more of a primary purpose. And then this further evolves that when you retire, it becomes giving back to the society, connecting as a couple, connecting as a family. So it evolves over time. So overall, make sure that you understand that work is not just a singular purpose. There are lots of other things that we do, and it is a combination that you decide with for based on your own personal choices. Independence, on the other hand, is a very universal concept that everybody seeks freedom from various aspects. And financial independence triggers a domino effect towards all kinds of freedom. And that is the reason that we keep saying financial independence is a must. So, what kind of freedoms does financial independence trigger? So, the first freedom it triggers is a freedom of thought. It enables you to think a lot more clearly. It enables you to think in a lot more disruptive manner than having a lot more guardrails that you would have because you're not yet financially independent. So, for example, before we took this big bold step of retiring early, for almost 2 to 3 years before that, we were financially independent, but I decided to continue working because I was really enjoying it. But during those years of those working years, I think I had the best thinking, the most innovative way of tackling problems, being very disruptive towards the corporate culture that I was working in, and it helped me a lot. And not only was it triggered the freedom of thought, it also triggered the freedom of expression, because those thoughts I was able to express a lot more openly. And more importantly, that freedom of expression came in the form of being able to say no. So when we were not financially independent, especially in the early part or the mid part of the career, if the corporate managers or someone gave us some additional task that we had to take those additional responsibilities, we had to reluctantly do that even if we didn't like it, because it was otherwise almost, I would say, seen as a career limiting move. But in those 2 to 3 years, I was able to very openly, clearly say no because I did not have that baggage that if there is a career limiting move that I'm doing, I didn't care about that after that point. And that is also the reason that this financial independence, because of this freedom of thought, because of this freedom of expression, in certain parts like Silicon Valley, it's also called the FU money, because it enables you to do that. So, in addition to this freedom of thought and freedom of expression, the third thing it does is it triggers the freedom to choose. And that is big, because once you're financially free, it helps you to make a bolder decision of how you want to live, where you want to live. Because while you're in the working years, where you're living and how you're living is many times defined by our corporate life. The job we have, the city we are living is probably because of the choice of the family or the job that we are doing at that stage. Um, but once you become financially free, what it does is it brings you back to the drawing board. It helps you to say, hey, um, in addition to my family responsibilities, because I do not have that constraint that I have to only work in this company because I'm no longer, I'm still not financially independent. You can make those bold decisions saying, hey, I want to take this step and move from X place to Y place. And also change your lifestyle accordingly because you're financially free. And more importantly, it also enables the freedom to choose your purpose. So in the 2 to 3 years, while I was still working, though we were financially independent, we were already trying to transition into this aspect of that what will we do during the retirement years? What will our purpose, or how will our purpose look like? And because of this financial flexibility, it enabled us to choose and say, hey, we want to travel, we want to do hiking, we want to engage in this YouTube channel with the folks like you. And it doesn't need to be that you have or have not a family, because it still gives you a lot more flexibility even with the family decisions that you may want to take. And lastly, it enables you or gives you that freedom to give back, because while you are not financially independent, you have that financial constraint that you may be it may provide you the difficulty to give back financially. But when you are financially free, not only is it giving you the flexibility to give back because you have finances to give back, but also you have the time you can dedicate it. So, for example, during our corporate years, we were giving back in terms of the limited resources that we could do in terms of the school that we were supporting. But now that we are retired, we can spend a lot more time, not just in this school that we are supporting, but more importantly, raising the personal finance awareness through this channel, mentoring people, having these one-on-one sessions with them to help them with their journey, their professional career, etc. So that giving back becomes a lot more wholesome, not just financially, but non-financially also. So overall, when it comes to purpose, my take or summary would be that it's not a singular that purpose of life is just work. There is a lot of things that we do that define the wholesome purpose, and it evolves over time. And you are the best judge, no one else is, in terms of how you want to redefine it and whether you want to retire early. When it comes to freedom and independence, the money or finances play a massive role in terms of opening those floodgates of freedom of thought, freedom of expression, freedom of choice, and mostly freedom of giving back. So I hope that this video motivates you towards your journey to financial independence, and that you're not just chasing a financial number or a corpus figure, but you're chasing all these non-financial freedoms of thought, expression, choice, and giving back to the society. And that makes your journey a lot more wholesome. And that you're not worried that there is one day that you have to decide that this is the early retirement year or age that you should do. That's up to you, that's your choice. So I hope this gives you some new insight. And as always, would love to hear your thoughts. And as always, will reply to each one and every of your comments. Till the next video, till the next topic and till the next location. Goodbye from me. Bye bye.